Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide some apps or games in Play Store using parental controls. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. Let's get down to our topic. So, first things first. You will need to open the Play Store, or Google Play, whoever calls it, on your Android device. Now to say you're trying to find a game to download that has age restrictions or has adult content, you'll go to that game, and as you can see, there will be a download function. And this can be done by both you and, let's say, your child. And if you want to avoid that situation so that your child can download some games with adult content, then you will need to set up parental controls. To do this, on the Play Store homepage, you click on your image to go to your Google account. Next, you click on Settings, then Family, and Parental Controls. By default, parental controls are always turned off, but you can turn it on and customize it very easily. To do this, you enable this button. To activate, you will need to enter twice a password that you come up with. I advise you to avoid passwords like 4 zeros, 4 ones, or maybe date of birth, because these passwords can be guessed and hacked by children. Once you come up with a password, the parental control feature will be activated. Next, you'll be able to set up an age restriction in apps and games. And so you can limit, for example, games or apps for very young children, leaving only 3+ ages, or 12+, or 18+. You look at your child, for example. And then after that you save the changes. After that, if you try again to go to the game with adult content, which you tried to download earlier, you will not see a button or download function next to it. There will be a blue box and Manage. If you click on it, or your child finds such a game and wants to download it, they will not be able to do so. If you go to Manage, you will see that parental control is activated, and in order to turn it off, you will need a password, which your child won't know. So this is the simple way you can hide apps and games in Play Store with parental controls. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write your comments, and see you soon.